Our case of the day here at the Aesthetic Wellness Center in Westborough, Massachusetts involves a woman in her early 50s who has had a significant amount of sun exposure throughout her life and is interested in reversing some of those changes by undergoing a revolutionary treatment called the Fraxel Repair CO2 laser. As a result of her significant sun exposure, she has typical changes such as fine lines, deeper creases, uneven brown pigmentation, red spots, and overall skin laxity. The Fraxel Repair CO2 laser is able to reverse most of those changes through one single treatment, which involves a relatively short period of downtime. The Fraxel Repair CO2 laser has been touted by WebMD, New Beauty Magazine, and the New York Post as one of the breakthrough facial rejuvenation products of 2007, and has only recently been available across the country since January of 2008. Here at the Aesthetic Wellness Center, we are the only office in Massachusetts that is performing the Fraxel Repair treatment, and one of only approximately 15 offices around the country. As you can see from this footage of another patient undergoing the Fraxel Repair treatment on the face, the Fraxel Repair is able to deliver microscopic columns of laser evenly distributed across the skin surface. Now that pattern and the depth of penetration of each laser column is governed by the computer in the laser, which is ultimately determined by the settings that I choose during the treatment. So we can actually tailor this treatment depending on what type of problem or what area of the face we are treating. For example, in areas where you might have deeper creases, such as around the mouth, the lower face, or the forehead, you might choose an energy setting and a treatment level that is more appropriate for deeper creases. Whereas in the upper and lower eyelid skin, which is very, very thin, we'll appropriately tune down the level and energy settings so that we can achieve a significant tissue tightening safely. A full face Fraxel Repair treatment takes approximately 30 minutes, and prior to that, the numbing cream and numbing medications will be applied for approximately 1 hour, so you can expect to be in the office anywhere between 1.5 and 2 hours. After the treatment is completed, the patients do not report any significant discomfort whatsoever. In terms of the recovery, we do provide you with a kit that includes all of the materials that you will need to properly maintain your facial skin after the treatment. And it involves using soaked gauze to help clean the facial skin within the first few days. And you can see from the post-treatment pictures that were taken approximately 10 days and 1 month after her treatment that she's had significant improvement in the quality of her facial skin. You might just sum it up by saying she just looks younger. And why does she look younger? There's a significant improvement in the overall tone, texture, and quality of her skin. The uneven brown pigmentation has been smoothed out to a much more natural color. There's significant tissue tightening around the mouth and the lower eyelids. The lower eyelids used to have a very crepey quality, and now this appears much more smooth and tight, and that's a difficult problem for many women. Her eyes look more open. Her upper eyelid crease looks tighter. Her brows seem to be more open as well. And overall, her facial skin just looks better.